Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Dhea cream versus pills, which is better. Consider absorption, convenience, dose control, side effects, and monitoring with your clinician before choosing. I will outline common benefits and drawbacks for each route, discuss typical dosing patterns, and highlight safety checks like hormone testing and liver function. Listen for practical tips to discuss with your provider so you can make a safer, informed choice that fits your lifestyle and goals. Absorption matters when choosing Dhea, so think about how quickly you want effects and how stable you need blood levels to be. Creams may offer steadier local delivery, but can vary by skin thickness, application site, and products used. Pills give a measurable dose and more predictable serum changes, but they pass through the liver first and may create metabolite differences. I will explain how that influences benefits, timing, and safety in everyday use. Safety is key with any Dhea regimen, so plan monitoring and clear goals before starting. Begin with a low dose and reassess symptoms and labs after a few weeks to avoid unwanted androgen effects like acne or hair changes. Check liver function and interactions if you take other medications, and communicate any mood or sleep changes. I will give practical signs to watch and how to work with your clinician for safer adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.